This is a special presentation of Manny Pacquiao's Blow by Blow. Any other use of materials, photos, and accounts without MP Promotions' consent is strictly prohibited.
Welcome mga kaboxing sa inyong paboritong bakbakan show, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Nadine Quinito Henson, nag-iimbita sa inyo na magsama-sama tayo sa isa na namang makasaysayang nasagupaan at salpukan. Nandito po tayo sa Sablayan Astrodome, Occidental Mindoro. Naku, magandang mga laban ang mapapanood po natin. Alam po ninyo, ang Blow by Blow, marami na pong napuntahan sa Narbacan, sa General Santos, sa Imus, sa Cantilan, at huwag niyong kalilimutan mag-follow at like sa kaboxing natin, mga kasama natin, mga kaibigan natin sa Sablayan na Occidental Mindoro. Nandito po sila. Umuusok po ang mga laban maya-maya. Mapapanood po natin. At ang unang-unang laban natin, naku, 4-rounder po ito. And this is in the super flyweight division or junior bantamweight division. Lastimosa, hindi po siya yung coach ng PBA. Kapangalan lang, Jojo Lastimosa. At ang kalaban niya si Dave Devotion. Mga bagito po ito. Both of them are making their professional debuts. Pareho po silang kaliwete. At may konting reach advantage si Devotion. At ganun din yung height advantage niya. Mas bata po si Devotion kaysa kay Jojo Lastimosa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dave Devotion.
Ang nararamdaman ko po ngayon ay nai-excite, kinakabahan, halo-halong emosyon. Hindi ko po maipaliwanag. Nagdadasal ko po na sana wala pong mangyaring masama at matapos po namin yung round na walang nananockout. Magdasal, tapos syempre ingat-ingat din kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras kumpiyansa tayo. Kailangan natin dumibensa para sa suntong kalaban para makatulong din sa pamilya ko. Kasi bata pa lang ako pangarap ko na po talaga maging professional boxer. So, salamat po pala sa coach kong pinaka-pogi, si Coach Jun Sales, si Coach Larry, pati si Coach Jay at si Coach Lito. Maraming salamat po sa kanila kasi sila po yung unang tumulong sa akin ng mga panahon hindi pa po marunong mag-boxing.
Introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Jojo Lastimosa.
Excited na parang medyo kabado konti ganun, pero nandun naman yung excitement. Napaka-importante nun, lalo na sa sa safety, yun talaga yung kasi sa boxing dapat protektahan mo yung sarili mo bago ka manuntok bigla Putos-puntos tsaka importante talaga yung yung condition yung paa. Una talaga yung makakuha ng belt. Tapos pag nandun ka na sa posisyon na yan, andun na yung angat na yung buhay mo shoutout sa taga Osamis diyan, sa mga followers nako diya. Laban.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 114 pounds. He's on his pro debut. Fighting out of Glenford Fitness Boxing Gym, Taguig City. Ladies and gentlemen, Jojo Lastimosa. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 114 pounds. He's on his pro debut. Fighting out of King of Pound Fitness Center, Batangas City. Ladies and gentlemen, Dave Devotion. Judges at ringside, Gerald Tomeldan, Salvador Lopez, and Don Arguelles. Third man in the ring, referee Oliver Garcia. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing.
Bosser. Okay, Jojo, Dave, this is your first professional fight, makinig lang lagi sa command ko. Pag sinabi yung stop, break, and then do any foul. Okay, good luck. That's good luck. Back. Don.
Ito
Box.
na po Umpisa na tayo. Round number 1. In the super flyweight division, Lastimosa kontra Debucion. Si Lastimosa po is the boy with the black trunks with the white stripes down the side. At si Debucion naman po is the boy with the yellow waistband sa kanyang very colorful trunks. Napagit po natin kanina, pareho po silang kaliwete. First professional fight. Scheduled for 4, kanya palagay ko, puspusa ka agad ito. Fighters are sizing each other up. Combination coming from Lastimosa. Debucion looking to pump that right jab. At si Lastimosa naman, naghahanap ng opening. Debucion is circling his opponent. Now using some lateral movement. Wala pa masyadong nakakatamaan dito. Left hand coming from Debucion. Tinamaan po ni Debucion si Lastimosa. Lastimosa coming strike back. Magalaw ito si Debucion. Moving around his opponent. Looking for the angle. Right hand coming from Lastimosa. Umatake si Debucion. Tinamaan ni Lastimosa sa pangayon. Lastimosa squared up, shooting that right jab. And bagsak po si Debucion.
Squared up, shooting that right jab. And bagsak po si Debucion.
At referee Oliver Garcia giving him the count. Biglang bumagsak ito si Debucion.
7, 8.
He's trying to catch his breath. At sabi ni referee Oliver Garcia, tuloy ang laban. Ito si Lastimosa looking for the knockout kill. Bumagsak na naman.
Tuloy ang laban. Ito si Lastimosa looking for the knockout kill. Bumagsak na naman.
Si Debucion, that's a second knockdown. And he knows that he's hurt. He's pounding his glove on the canvas.
6,
Tumayo siya.
7.
Pat dalawang bagsak na yan for Dave Debucion. At sabi ni Oliver Garcia, kaya pa, kaya pa. Mukha naman hindi glassy-eyed si Debucion, pero ito si Lastimosa. Throwing everything he's got. Na-corner niya si Debucion. Lastimosa throwing left and right. That's another shot to the body. Pangatlong knockdown na yan, and Debucion has been ruled unfit to continue by referee Oliver Garcia. Natapos po ito, first round. Dave Debucion, di niya na kaya. Yung mga suntok galing kay Jojo Lastimosa. First professional fight, first professional victory, first professional knockout from Jojo Lastimosa. Ayan po si Dave Debucion. Nakangiti naman siya. Took a lot of shots to the body. At yan na napapagsak sa kanya. 3 beses po. Lastimosa kontra Debucion. Yun, maganda yung patamasanan ni Debucion. That was a nice combination. Left and right. Pero yun, yung left hand in the side of the body, yun ang unang-unang napapagsak kay Debucion. And that is the second knockdown. Magkakaroon pa ng pangatlong knockdown dito. Another shot to the body, this time with the right hand. Magandang power with both fists.